What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. This video is gonna be yellow DRLs. So in this case, you guys see is the shape or the model. We're not putting an overlay or anything. We're just replacing this. It's gonna be good to go with this. Super easy to do it. I just need to remove front tires and then a few bolts on the plastic and swap this. Change the wheels already. Those ones are Apex. Carbon fiber mirrors, spoiler, exhaust tips. Yeah. This is how the car looks stock. You guys see it? Everything is white. Can't wait to put the grille carbon fiber. I ordered the lip, the M Performance, so it's coming very soon. Alright guys, so I removed the wheel already. It's so dirty right now because of the freaking snow. But like I said, you remove the wheel. You remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You know, you remove this part of the plastic, and it is right here. So you just need a 10, like always. I got like 5 of this because I always lose the freaking 10 millimeters. So, all right, guys. Now we need to remove this. I think this is a torque 20. Yeah, it's like 1, 2. It's like I think 4 bolts or 3. You remove this piece and then next step. All right, guys, I got the module out. This is the OEM one. You guys see it right there. This is the yellow. It looks almost the same. Remember, it's one for the right and one for the left. So it goes like that. This is a torque T20. But before, let me show you something that nobody showed on any video on YouTube. They just remove the plastic, remove the tire, and done. But I'm gonna show you something you guys need to do to take this out, because if not, it's not gonna work. Right, guys, a lot of people lose this torque T30 a little bit. This is for the headlight. A lot of people lose this a little bit, and this one in the top. But I don't have the T30, so I just removed this bolt right here, because to remove the module you need to go down, but this piece right here is holding it. So you remove this 10 millimeter and push it back a little bit, and the module go out. All right, bolts are out. Then you just take it off. This is thermal paste. See right there? You need to clean this with alcohol and put new thermal paste. All right, guys. Yellow DRL is on. Super simple, super easy. Now it's time to put it in the car. All right, guys, it's on. Right side is the yellow, left side is still the OEM. Let's see. Nice. It's hard to see in the camera, but it's super yellow. It looks kind of white, but I feel like it's the camera. All right, time to do the other side. Same process. Wheel, 10 millimeters, T20. Yeah, same process. Final product. Doesn't look super yellow with the camera, but it's like, trust me, it is yellow and it's bright. So yeah, guys, installation super easy, super simple. And like I said in the other video, I don't know if you guys watch it, but I did a video about the exhaust tips. I ordered like 3 pairs from websites. I'm not gonna say the names of the websites, but it's not worth it, guys. It's not worth it. Just keep doing research and double check, because those websites are buying the stuff from China and reselling it like way expensive. And with the DRLs, it's the same. I ordered these chips from AliExpress. And yeah, nobody said that on the videos. You check on YouTube. People order from websites. And again, I'm not gonna say names, but those websites are buying those stuff like 100% from AliExpress. And they put like 100, 200 on top of the price. And yeah, same. If they look the same like the OEMs, they look the same like the websites you guys see around, selling it for like 200, 300 bucks. Don't do that, guys. Just do your research. And yeah, hopefully you guys like the video. And yeah, peace.